All right, guys, check it out. I just got this in. Well, I got it in last week, but I went out of town, so I didn't have time to do an unboxing for y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for y'all right now. We got the new Supreme Trimmer Pro Clipper. So we're gonna open this up, you know. We're gonna put it to use today. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. Let's go ahead and check this box out. As y'all can see, we got a nice gold box. Let's see what it comes with. We got all these guards. It comes with a cape, a replacement lid, a cleaning brush, some combs. Man, it comes with a lot of stuff on this one. So it does come with a taper blade, but let's go ahead and open this thing up. That way y'all can see how this thing looks. So we got this in there, and then we got like another box in here also. And we got this in there, and then we also got a little cape. Let's put that stuff to the side. Let's go ahead and open up this box first. All right, so this is the charging cord in here, and then we got a comb, another comb, some oil, a little fade brush to clean off the tool. And then we also got this little chrome lid and then a little screwdriver in here. But that's not what we're here for. Let's get back to this one right here. I'm gonna take this off. Warranty card, put that to the side. We got the manual and the warranty, chunk that to the side. We got magnetic guards, as y'all can see. I'm assuming 0 all the way to 8. I'll check it out right now. But here's the clipper in here. Check that out. So we do got a click lever on there, as y'all can see. Little click lever. We got a taper blade on there. Looks pretty good. But yeah, let's put this thing to charge, put it to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it.
Did y'all hear about that shooting at Dominic's?
Which one?
Right here, about 45. And then they went over there after he Sunday family going and shit. Fucking, they kicked his ass out and then came back right after they closed.
When was this? Yesterday?
Yeah, last night.
What time's your last one, Jim?
3. Little time.
Mid-fade, right?
Yeah, missing.
Clap too. You know, Frieza, I think I left something on the ship. I'm gonna go get it real quick.
We'll be the ones clapping cheeks today. About your little music player and enjoy the footage rap battles.
That was some heat, huh?
Okay.
last time you had a haircut? Like what, 2 weeks ago?
I think it belongs in there.
Yeah.
3 weeks. I might as well just go. So tell my girl, and once you tell her, you're not gonna.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Exactly. And if I had 2 extra tickets, and I was just like, man, should I sell the other 2? But I really don't. I'm not a really big basketball guy.
Nah.
Like, I know all of them. But yeah, other than that, I mean, we went to a bottle that weekend.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
guys, so let's check it out. Let me see if I can get this box. I kind of ruined the box when I was opening the clipper, but nonetheless, check it out. Here is the box for the Supreme Trimmer Pro Clipper. So I didn't get to show y'all this earlier when I unboxed the clipper, but on the front it says that we have 300 minutes of runtime, and I think that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? That's a real good amount of time that you can use with the clipper. We have a LCD display. Basically, it has like a number, lets you know how much power is left in the clipper. Like I said earlier in the video, we got a taper blade. You can use this cord or cordless, but I don't see why you'd want to use it corded. But yeah, let's go ahead and reopen this up, even though, like I said, I messed up the box. But y'all know what it is, man. All right, so like I said, it did come with a cape that I have not opened. We got, here is the clipper. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on for y'all one more time. And as y'all can see right here, this is the how much power I have left. I have a little less than half. It says 45. I have a little less than half of a full battery. As y'all can hear, it's not too loud. Sounds good though. It reminds me a lot of the Wall Seniors, you know what I'm saying? Kind of works like the Wall Seniors. Cuts really good. The blade kind of reminds me of the JRL blade. But nonetheless, it gets the job done. Works really good. We do have a click lever, like I said earlier in the video. But one weird thing that I noticed about this click lever is it only has 4 notches. Most click levers have 5, you know what I'm saying? So you can open it all the way, close it down 2, and it be in the middle, and then close it down all the way. But this one only has 4, so that's all the way open. That's 1 lever closed, 2 lever closed, 2 notches closed, and then all the way closed. It only has 4 notches. I thought that was kind of weird, but it still gets the job done, you know what I'm saying? I really didn't have an issue with it. I do like that it has the LED display on here, as y'all can see. I think that's really dope. I think clipper companies need to lean more towards doing that, you know what I'm saying? But let me show y'all the guards that it comes with. So I didn't use these guards, but as y'all can see, we do have a single magnetic guard. It snaps on there pretty easily. Like that, but I used my Babyliss premium guard, so I didn't use that. It did come with a charger that I left at the shop, but nonetheless, man, here it is. Here is the clipper, the Pro Clipper from Supreme Trimmer. Let me move this out the way. So one thing I was curious about was the RPMs. It didn't say it on the box, or at least I didn't see it. And I never really read my manuals, you know what I'm saying? So it might say it in there, but I don't know what it actually is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my app that gives me a good ballpark figure of the RPMs. So let's go ahead and make sure that gets on 0. So yeah, it's going in between 6,400 and 6,500 RPMs. So I think that's, you know, that's some good power, you know what I'm saying? And then another thing that I wanted to talk to you about was the price. This clipper is just $100 on the Supreme Trimmer website. I believe the website is supremetrimmer.com, but I will have the link down in my description. But like I said, guys, for $100, a cordless clipper that comes with a charger, comes with all the guards you need, comes with like 2 combs, a brush. It comes with a lot for just $100, you know what I'm saying? So what do I personally think about this clipper? Once again, guys, I think it works really good. It does get the job done. I did not zero gap this blade, nor did I try to zero gap it. I just used it fresh out the box. And once again, guys, I think it worked good. And once again, for $100, you really can't beat that. So if you are in the market for a good clipper, and you don't want to break the bank, you know what I'm saying, you're trying to save a lot of money, I would say the Supreme Trimmer Pro Clipper is probably a good option, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, for just $100, you get the clipper, you get guards, you get like 2 combs, you get a cape, you get a bunch of stuff that comes with this clipper, and this clipper does get the job done. I haven't had this clipper clog up on me. I have no issue debulking. It cuts really well. So all in all, man, I think this is a really good machine. That's basically all I got to say about this clipper, guys. So if y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.